Now, second prize winner Dr. Binni Patel. She will express the ideas of internet addictions. Okay. काम करेंगे थोड़ा. हाँ. Good morning.
Internet, good morning. Internet addiction, present and future.
Loudly. हाँ.
Internet addiction is a new age addiction that is known to affect people around the world. This addiction has affected many people of different age groups. However, more prevalent among the youth. What is internet addiction? Do you play video games on the internet in excess? Are you compulsively shopping online? You can't physically stop checking Facebook. If you answer yes, any of these questions, you may be suffering from internet addiction disorder, also commonly referred to as compulsive internet use. Just because you use the internet a lot, watch a lot of YouTube videos, shop online frequently, or like to check social media does not mean you suffer from internet addiction disorder. The trouble comes when these activities start to interfere with your daily life. As the name states, if concentration is on compulsion with the internet.
आराम से. Loudly. हाँ.
What causes it? Like most disorder, it is not likely to pinpoint an exit cause of internet addiction. Suffering from internet addiction disorder, the brain makeup is similar to those who suffer from a chemical dependency such as drug or alcohol, specifically affecting the brain structure, the amount of gray and white matter in region of prefrontal brain. These areas of brain is associated with remembering details, attention, planning, prioritizing tasks. Signs and symptoms of internet addiction disorder: depression, dishonesty, feeling of guilt, anxiety, feeling of dysphoria when using the computer, inability to prioritize or keep schedules, isolation, no sense of time, defensiveness, avoidance of work, agitation, mood swings, fear, loneliness, routine tasks. Physical symptoms of internet addiction: backache, carpal tunnel syndrome, headache, insomnia, poor personal hygiene, neck pain, dry eyes, and other vision problems, weight gain or weight loss. How it is diagnosed? One of the most accepted diagnostic assessments of internet addiction has been proposed by Ian, who proposed 5 diagnostic criteria in the identification of internet addiction disorder. Is preoccupied with
DSM what's your criteria? Internet addiction. Okay, go ahead.
is preoccupied with the internet. He constantly thinks about the past use or future use. Need to use the internet with increased amount of time to gain the satisfaction. Has made unuseful efforts to control, cut back, and stop use of internet. Is restless, moody, depressed, or irritable when attempting to control internet use. Has stayed online longer than originally intended. Treatment: how to overcome internet addiction. The first step in treatment is to recognize that problem exists. If you do not believe you have a problem, you are not likely to seek treatment. Studies have shown that anti-anxiety and anti-depression medication have had profound effect on amount of time spent on the internet, in some cases decreasing rates from 35 hours to 16 hours a week. Individual, group or family therapy, behavioral modification, cognitive behavioral therapy, equine therapy, and rehabilitation. Schedule your internet time, limit your smartphone and computer use, find a new way to socialize, work with addiction counselor. Thank you.
Now, third prize winner is Manu Parmar. Will read topics on the internet addictions. Please go ahead.
Addiction and habit activity. Doing more than 20 days, then it becomes an addiction. That's a general definition of addiction. Generally, people give more hours and days behind this act. Like, mind is hardwired for this. Also, addiction comes in various manners. Some or the other way, we are introduced to new addiction. Maybe it's simple, or either because of leisure, taking into serious, often it's very dangerous matter. It could be drugs, smoking. As we all know, we've seen people around us, knowingly, unknowingly, with different intensities. Now the main topic, internet addiction. Using internet for more than 5 hours a day is simply internet addiction. That's the general definition of internet addiction. It could be innocently viewing a cute cat footage to cybercrime. We have various range. It has become a global playground. In each and every sector of world has connected to internet. Firstly, this was confined to youth. Now it has expanded to each and everyone. As studies conducted that internet addiction, its effect could be more lethal than LSD. Common side effect, you all know that. It could be irritative behavior, eye problems such as UV rays exposure, more people wearing glasses these days, even the toddlers, impatience, mood swings, means not sleeping, disturbance in sleep habits, feeling tired, isolation, and even more. And you all know that, right? Do you know that most of social media users, especially Instagram users, feel more insecure about themselves? Especially it has more means more dominated on physical features. Like, मुझे ये model पसंद है. Why can't I like her? Or there is a film hero, you know, उसके जैसे मैं क्यों नहीं हो सकता? या like उसकी आँखें मस्त है. I wish I had eyes like that, or I had dimple like that. शाहरुख खान है, तो उसके जैसे dimple चाहिए मुझे. दीपिका पादुकोण जैसी height चाहिए. Don't you wish that? Don't you all wish that? लगा था ना, one at some point of that we have regretted and we have thought about that. मतलब कभी phone charger side में phone charge होता है, you have thought about that once in a while. I know that. Like people trolling, making useless comments. It feels like more than sharing, they are creating cutthroat competition of some beauty pageant. There is also issue of marital issues. More people committing infidelity. There are more concerning and soaring issues of divorces. देखे ही जा रहे हैं. And sour relationship, not only in this, but also each and every relationship has been affected very badly. People are disconnected from even themselves. Forget about others. We have already been distanced already. पहले ही हो चुके हैं, but अब खुद से भी अलग हो रहे हो तुम. It kills creativity and originality of an individual. Even there are most of people being sued for copyright issues, putting their work without even putting work in slightly modification, and they are facing copyright issues. Like every illegal thing occurs in society, taking it to next level on internet, compromising the purpose of what the thing was intended. Like it's like more misuse than use. Several stories of internet fraud, marriage fraud, spreading misinformation incidents. This all has made internet network and netizen a vulnerable place. Surely it's damn risky. Children even get exposure. They are sometimes stumble places where they shouldn't be. And they are exposed to wicked things at very early stages of their lives. And it steals their childhood and innocence. Like even the developer says that no parental control is 100% effective. Medical misinformation can gamble with people's life, cause physical and mental damages. 70% of information are wrong in internet. So it can't be one way or another. We have faced identity theft, claiming that they are huge celebrities, and misuse people's information, ask for money, and in unimaginable ways. That is the only reason the most social platform has introduced a verify sign, so it tells they are genuine person, not imposters. Internet was made in purpose of communicating with people, but sadly, it doesn't seem like these days. Sometimes, even our elders told us that this generation is very impatient and spoiled. All they want everything on instant, more faster than Maggie, 2 minutes. And people don't have insight of themselves, in short, and don't know what the expense they are putting on such risk. Everything is better if we use it in limited as needed, as per our need, because too much of usage could be equal to poison, as we've said it, our elders said it. And poison always damages. It does nothing good. Many people use it, but people don't know how to balance it. लोगों को use तो करना है, but they don't know how to balance it. We have lost जो तोलमोल होता है, उसका like जो judgment होता है, वो हम खो चुके हैं. So controlling is the only way it works. There is no other way.